Now in this series of video powered by visuals, we will explain about the donut chart. A donut chart is used to show how different values contribute to the total value with the size of each piece in the donut representing the proportion of each category. So donut charts are best used when visualizing the split of data, such as calculating the split of orders between product category. The donut provides both a visual representation of this split but also support with additional value and percentage figures. So we will see in the detail. This is our donut chart icon here. Click on this and adjust its size in this. Now in the legend we'll move the category or region. So here we move the region here. And in the value we'll move the sales or profit. So here we'll move the sales. So our donut chart is ready. Now we'll make one pie chart as well here. Sales. So here what is the difference between donut chart and pie chart here? So I think one of the visible difference we can see here in the donut chart as per the donut shape here there is a hole here. But in the pie chart there is no hole, it starts from the center of the circle. So one benefit also, if required, a particular layer can be split into multiple layers. That is the benefit of donut chart, which we don't have this kind of benefit in the pie chart. So apart from that, there is no such logical difference with the pie chart and donut chart. So this is all about the donut chart here.